In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bleed to a page in Canva. If you're preparing a design for professional printing, adding bleed is essential. Bleed is a small area that extends past the edge of your page. Printers trim your design to size, and that extra sliver ensures you don't end up with thin white edges where color or images should go. Think of it as a safety buffer, so your background and photos truly reach the edge after trimming. Let's set it up together. With your design open in Canva, look to the top left of the editor and click on File. This opens a menu with helpful document options. Now, hover your cursor over Settings. Depending on your view, you might see a small panel or a submenu appear. In that Settings area, click on Show Print Bleed. The moment you turn it on, you'll see a faint guide appear around the edges of your page, often with small corner marks. That outline represents where your design will be trimmed. With the bleed visible, use it as a visual guide. Background colors, photos, and any elements meant to reach the edge should extend past the page boundary and into that bleed area. That way, if the cut shifts slightly during printing, the color or image still covers the edge. On the other hand, keep important text, logos, and crucial details well inside the safe area, away from the trim line. A common practice is to leave a comfortable margin between key content and the edge so nothing looks cramped or gets clipped. If you don't immediately notice the change, try zooming out a little so the entire page boundary and corner marks are visible. The bleed overlay doesn't change your actual design size. It simply adds guides so you can place elements confidently. It also appears on every page in your design, so you can flip through and check consistency. A quick tip: when adjusting images or backgrounds, drag them slightly beyond the page edge until they clearly cross the bleed line. Avoid placing text or thin borders in that outer zone, since anything in the bleed is intended to be cut away. And if you ever want a cleaner view while designing, you can return to File, hover over Settings, and toggle Show Print Bleed off, then turn it back on whenever you need to double-check edges. That's it. By enabling print bleed and aligning your elements with these guides, you're setting yourself up for clean, professional-looking prints every time.